In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Microsoft Word. This seemingly simple task is one of those basic skills that can greatly enhance the readability and emphasis of your documents. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, a creative project, or simply drafting a letter, knowing how to highlight key information quickly and easily can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, make sure you have your Microsoft Word file open. It's important to have the document ready so you can follow along and practice as we go. You might already have some text in your document, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Either way, you'll want to locate the specific text that you aim to bold. Once you've found the text you desire to emphasize, the next step is to select it. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor over the text. You'll notice that the highlighted area will appear shaded, indicating that it's selected and ready for any formatting actions you choose to apply. With your text selected, you're now ready for the next step, making it bold. Look toward the top of your Microsoft Word workspace. Here, under the Home tab, you'll see the font group. This area houses various formatting options. What we're looking for is the Bold button, which is represented by a capital B. All you need to do is click on this B, and instantly your selected text will appear bold. You'll notice that the font now stands out, making it more noticeable and impactful in your document. Now here's an additional tip for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts. If you like to keep your hands on the keyboard, you can simply press Ctrl and B simultaneously. This combination activates the bold function without the need to click with your mouse, saving you time and providing a convenient alternative. Try it out. It can become a real time saver once you get used to it. After applying either method, take a moment to review your document. You'll see that your text now appears intensified, helping it catch the reader's eye. And just like that, you're all done. Understanding these basic formatting techniques is crucial for producing professional and polished documents. Each method we've explored today offers you flexibility in how you choose to work, whether you're a fan of point and click or keyboard shortcuts. With practice, selecting and bolding text can become second nature, streamlining your document creation process and enhancing your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting.